I'm gonna first start by saturating and then just sectioning the hair. There we go. So the initial guide is we have our cowlick right here. We wanna see where the comb tips, and that's where we're gonna section the hair. So great thing is it's pretty simple to find that. We're gonna start with the horseshoe shape. Check the tipping of the comb right here. Then we're gonna section this at the corner of his hairline right here. Slide through. So what this 2-block cut is just a disconnection from the top to the sides. So we're gonna run through with a 3 and dip it below like this and create that nice foundation for our taper. So using my 3 guard closed, I'm just gonna scoop in with my comb. To start the side taper, we're gonna go in with the soft one. So we're not gonna go skin. We're gonna go about a finger and we're gonna curve the line like this, keeping it very light. I'm gonna go up again with a 3 just to make sure all these little hairs are taken down. Next, with the 1.5 guard closed, I'm gonna hit this line right here and I'm gonna gently start opening the lever as I go higher. Next, I'm gonna just attach my 0.5, and right here, this little line that I see, I'm just gonna gently flick up. Now I'm gonna line up the C-cup area. So I'm gonna try to go as natural as possible right here. Now lining up the back of the neck. There's baby hairs right here, but we don't want to push it all the way down over here. We want to just maintain everything as natural as possible and just go down. So right here, we're going to set the first line. Pull the ear down now and use the left corner. I'm going to repeat the same steps on this side taper. Same thing in the back. We're gonna go 2 fingers above with the 1. Gently flick up. Open the lever. I'm gonna put it maybe like 3/4 open, and I'm gonna work the way that his hair grows. His hair grows in this way. And on this side, he also goes in a different direction. Now with the one guard lever open, we're gonna go to about a finger's width again, midway. I'll start working my way lower. Half guard now, I'm gonna clean up this bottom line, the extra little hairs. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my thinning shears. I'm gonna just thin out this bulk. Just gonna keep working in zones and just keep moving to the right, and then I'm gonna move back. We're gonna create a triangular shape now at the top. So going from here, which is the tipping point of the comb, with my finger razor, it's right here. He said he wanted it slightly right here above the eyebrow, but his hair does grow in this direction like this. So I think maybe the shortest point is gonna be right here. And slowly we're gonna work our way into the center. What I'm going to do really quick, just to quickly texturize a little bit from the top. So that's one way to do it, and then we're going to do another way. With my shears here, I'm going to just go and slowly pinch my way, like in an X shape. So now I'm going to start by making his hair a little less dense. We're just going to thin it out really quick.